Oh yeah, Big Al's VW rat rod. Just been playing with some bits. I've not been here for a while because I've just not been that busy. But I wanted to make a cart to make it easier to take all my stuff up to the car, which is just over there. Don't know if anyone will be able to guess what I used. It was laying around, so it was damaged, so I thought, oh, might as well repurpose it. So now I have a lovely little welding cart with my clamps, all my tools, welder, extra clamps, even me safety goggles. Got my grinders on the side. It's perfect. Just what I needed. Extension lead underneath. That's all good. And then while I was at it, I've knocked up a little mobile workbench, which is another little thing I thought I would need. So obviously not finished yet, because I've got to put some legs on that side, but obviously you need them to be adjustable, because obviously you want it to go transport a bit around. My voice on there. I've got a toolbox to fit in there, which I'm going to put in on the shelf. Handle on that side there, and probably the voice on this side. I've also got a nice big piece of eye section, eye beam. I'm going to use it as an anvil, so that'll be clamped in the voice when I need it. So all in all, pretty productive day. Just going to take the paint off, give it a rub down, grind up some of the welds, finish off the other bits, and then it'll be ready to start welding. And I'm going to be here again this week, so I just can't wait. So, as I always say, we're getting there. Should be able to get on the Beetle this week. Right, see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
Bye.